Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video, I have a, what do we call this? A Lululemon reveal. I just ordered this oval top access kit. It's a 3.5 liter kind of toiletry bag, or you can use it for makeup. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open this up. I'm really excited because I thought it was really cute and really reminded me of my niece Minnie right over here. So maybe I can give this one a break because I have used it basically for my everyday makeup. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. I think I saw this on TikTok first, but oh my god. That wasn't even the opening. I think I saw this on TikTok first, and I thought this would have been a really great alternative to the Niece Mini. And so when I saw that it was in stock, I immediately purchased it. This one is available in the black color and then also a white opal color. But honestly, I think the black one is just gonna be so much more carefree. And wow, this is so nice. I really like it. This is also a lot bigger than I thought I was going to be, because compared to my Niece Mini, as you can see here, this one, I think I can store a lot more stuff. First, let me go ahead and show you around this, and then afterwards, I'll show you what probably can fit from my everyday Niece Mini, and then see if it can fit inside of this new Lululemon oval top access kit. But yeah, the website says that this is made from water repellent fabric, and the measurements of this bag is, let's see, 8.9 inches by 5.7 inches, and then by 4.5, I believe, or maybe it's the other way, I'm not sure. But that's what the website says. And then the product, this one has a zipper that goes all the way around. It's really nice that it has a double zipper, but let's see what they have to offer inside. So we just have one big compartment right over here, and then on top there's this really nice mesh zipper pocket. As far as what this bag is made out of, the mesh is made out of 100% polyester. The lining is 100% recycled polyester, and then this body on the outside is 100% recycled nylon. And on the website, they do claim that this is a water repellent fabric. So this is really nice because I feel like it's going to be really easy to clean, especially if your toiletry spill in here or makeup spills in here. I feel like it'll be really nice and easy to clean, and just, you can wipe away any mess. I guess on the website it also does mention that you do spot clean it, so you just wipe away any mess, and you don't put it in the washer, you don't put it in the dryer to dry, don't iron it, do not dry clean, do not bleach. Yeah, just spot clean. But yeah, I just love the double zipper. I feel like when things have double zippers, it's so much easier to open because you don't have to worry about having to open it one way. But here is the top of the bag. Let's take off these plastics. What is that? Oh no. Oh, it's some sticky stuff. Some sticky residue got left on the bag, but I think I can wipe that away later. But here is what the top looks like. Here is what the back of the bag looks like. The side. The other side. The front. Take off this sticker. I really like how it's all black. And then here's an up close of the zippers. Oops. And then here is the bottom of the bag. And then here's a close-up of the tag. Alright, so now that we've seen the bag a little bit closer, let's see what from my everyday makeup bag, the Niece Mini, can fit inside. So in my Niece Mini, I do use an organizer, and this one is from Samorga. So let's just try really quick. It keeps falling over because there's nothing in it. But let's try putting this organizer inside of here and see if that kind of works. I love this because it's so easy to transfer, and It does. I feel like it does. But you're kind of losing out on some of the space that you could be using. But if I wanted to, I could just really use that organizer and call it a day. Because it does fit in there. But I feel like if I do, I'm losing some of the space. But it's really nice how that really conveniently fits inside of here. But also, of course, if you don't use an organizer, I do think that you can fit a lot more makeup in here, because this is how it is with the organizer. I really love having an organizer just because if I didn't, like, all of my makeup would just be all over the place and it would all just be moving around so much. So I just love this because it helps keep like my makeup kind of stable. So yeah, let's actually take out my makeup from the organizer so you can kind of see how all of that just fits and how much room we actually have left in here. And I think you can hear like my dog walking around or licking his leash. Sorry about that if it's kind of annoying to hear. I have to be careful with this because it's open, I think. But yeah. And here we have it. As you can see, we could probably fit a lot more in here because we still have a lot of space up top and then here on the top as well. So here's what it looks like with all of that makeup. And I just feel like this would be so great for travel just because this one is also a little bit shorter than my Nice Mini. Let me see if I can give you a better angle after I take out all of this stuff because I don't want it to fall over because this is actually open. I'm really surprised though at how much this makeup bag can fit, and definitely looking forward to using this on my next trip. I really wish I had it with me when I was going to the Philippines because this would have been really, really nice to have going there. But yeah, let me show you the difference between the two bags. Alright, so here we have a side-by-side of the two. So as you can see, the Nice Mini is a little bit taller. Here we have a side-by-side of the two. I think it looks like the Lululemon is a bit larger. What do you guys think? I think so. And then this one, side-by-side. Here we can see that this one definitely is wider at a certain point, not at the edges, but since it's an oval, but it is wider here and then also longer as well. So yeah, this one definitely is the larger of the two. This one will be really great for travel. It's super, super light. Well, so is the Nice Mini, but this one is lighter, but not by a lot. So yeah, if you're looking for a new travel like makeup pouch bag, this one is a really great alternative to this one if you want to give like your Nice Mini a break. But yeah, this one is just so nice and excited to have it. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this bag in specific. I'll link it down below. I think right now the black one is sold out. This one also does come in a white opal, but I just feel like that one is more susceptible to getting dirty. But I'll still link that one down below in case that's the one you want to go for. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions about this specific piece in the comments below, or if you have any questions about it like compared to the Nice Mini. I'm happy to answer any of the questions that you guys have. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!